Dear friend, this is Dippaman Chakraborty from Options and Ideas. Today I'll be showing you how to handle Outlook. You know, Outlook is a software provided by Microsoft. It's a part of MS Office. In Outlook, you can send mails, and the most important, you can save mails in your hard disk. So whenever you are connecting, you want to check your previous mails, you needed to go online. So I'll be showing you the Outlook. It is from my Outlook only. I'll be showing you. It is a Microsoft 2007 Outlook. First, I'll be showing you the Microsoft 2007 Outlook. You click it here, the Outlook will open. Now it is already configured Outlook Express. You can see. So here there are in the upper this panel there are some files. If you want to create a new mail, then go to new and then new message. So here the new mail, your main mail will open, which you can be sent to your target recipient. Here I am writing my ID only. It is already saved, so it is coming here. So this is the ID. If you want to mark a copy to somebody, here I am copying to myself only. It is already saved this ID, so I am just pressing by enter. I am getting this mail ID. Then write the subject line. Test mail is a subject line. Then whatever I want to write hi or hello. How are you? So and so on. This is a signature panel. It is already preset as a person who is supposed to get the mail. If you want a receipt of this mail, whether the person has read this mail or not, go here in the options and click request to delivery receipt and request a read receipt. Once the mail is delivered, you will get a notification, and once the person has read the mail, you will get the read receipt. But one thing, just remember, if the person denies the read receipt, then you will not get any read response. It is based on his action also. Now you click the send button. Then here send and receive. So this way the mail will go in the outbox. See, then it vanishes from outbox. That means it is till the time it is there, it is showing in the outbox. That means this mail is still in the hard disk. Once it disappears from the Outlook, then it means that it has gone to server. Then it will show here in sent item. See here, this is a sent item. That means this has gone to your recipient's mail ID. Now I will do the send and receive again, because here I sent the mail to my ID also. So it is coming here. Apart from the other IDs, see, this mail has come. Then I am clicking here. Since I asked for the read receipt, then here it is asking for the options and idea requested a read receipt to be sent when message test mail is read. Do you want to send a receipt? If I press yes, then it will go. If I press no, then it will not go. And if you click here, then it will not ask again. Whatever is your judgment. I am pressing here yes. Right? So one read receipt has gone to the sender. If I want to say, suppose this is a mail, this is not required. If I want to say delete the mail, then select this thing and press the delete button in your keyboard. It's gone. The mail came twice because two of my same mail ID is configured here in Outlook. You can have multiple email IDs configured. So you can send and receive multiple email IDs in the same Outlook. So whatever mail is coming to this mail ID, I have sent a read receipt. So it is showing that I have read the mail and what time. The receipt has come. Since I pressed yes, then I deleted once again. It is called inbox. What is inbox? This is inbox where the all the mails are coming. Then it is outbox. Outbox is what? Where temporarily the mails are kept before sending. Then when the mail is actually sent to the server, then it comes here in the sent item. Here some other folders, it is a deleted items. If I delete any mail, so it comes here, it is a bin you can say. Then if you want to select, you need to delete permanently, select all, and so your mailbox, the deleted box is clear. This is draft. If there is any mail you want to send later on, you have written something, it will be saved here. These are the other folders. This is the HR folder I have created personally. How to create that? File, then folder, new folder, then write, paste, say, then create. Where you want to create the folder is under the personal folder. So create the personal folder, then OK. See, the test folder has come. It will come here as per the alphabet. You need to transfer this mail or copy this mail to this folder. How to do that? Move to folder, then OK. So this is how it happens. There are many things in Outlook like a signature, how you can get the signature here. So keep on watching. We will be showing you in the next video. Thank you.